doing something or developing technology, deep technology for street food vendor is where the inspiration of Cibos came. So Cibos came in as an inspiration that how do we empower these all street vendors to make more money and make their food waste lesser and have them go from just a small one or two thela to 10, 20 and make them bigger business. So yeah, that's what we started with. Hi, I am Aditya Dave, founder and CEO of Cibos Techno Solutions Private Limited. Cibos started with a vision of empowering street food vendors, micro entrepreneurs in India through technology, infrastructure and a digital platform. Today, Cibos works in 4 verticals. 2 a vertical being core in technology, where we make core coils as well as compressor for clean cooking devices like infrared stoves on which you can cook any utensil on it. A compressor based refrigeration system where you can make your kulfis, ice creams, anything, let's say stay cool for a long time just via battery. So we make the core technology there. On the other end is where we have Laari, where we make design manufactured modular cart for street vendors, and Laari Khojo, a platform where you can find street vendors around you, as well as street vendors can find access to finance, loans, licenses, permits, anything else, even their supply. So that's what Cibos does today, and currently we work with somewhere around 700 plus clients where they use one or other product through couple of means. We have been fortunate to be one of the winners of Solar X Startup Challenge by Ministry of New and Renewable Energy and International Solar Alliance, where we presented our solution to the ministry government and our Honorable Prime Minister back in 2024. We were also able to present our solutions to Energy Minister of Germany, multiple Vice President of India, and multiple other dignitaries across different competitions. That's the vision at Cibos. We want to bring together deep technology to social impact so that these people can increase their business, and that's what we are striving to do. So that's our goal. Thanks.